What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we got this QQAPL 165 watt charger. This has 3 different USB-C ports and 1 USB type A port. It has a nice little LCD screen and a little touch button right here to cycle through all the different modes. It also has this little charging thing that pops in and out so that you can just slide it into your backpack easily and it takes up less space. It also comes with a nice little QQAPL cord. This cord is actually 240 watts, so it's more than enough for this little charger. All the different ports have different wattages. So port 1, or C1, is 140 watts. C2 is 100 watts. C3 is 20 watts, and the USB-A is 18 watts. When you plug this thing in, it's not always going to be up and down perfectly like this. It sometimes might be plugged in like this. Like if you needed to plug it in like this, all you have to do is just press on this, press and hold, and then it turns the screen 90 degrees so that it is still level and readable. It also decreases how fast it's going to charge stuff if it's overheating. So when it's a good temperature, it has excellent, it is really good at, it has really good performance. High performance is like when it's really like getting warmer. And then cooling mode is like when it's really hot and it's not going to charge anything. It just really needs to cool down. You can use this thing to actually charge computers as well because it is 165 watts. So most computers need like about 80 at the most to charge it. This is more than that. So usually you can't like just plug in a regular small little wall charger to charge your computer because it's not enough watts. This is more than enough watts to charge your computer. Matter of fact, this could also charge 2 computers using the C1 and C2 because both of those are above 100 watts. This also has a few safety precautions that has over voltage protection, over current protection, short circuit protection, and over temperature protection. So that means that you're never gonna have this thing catch on fire or just like explode. I don't know. It's really safe and has a lot of safety precautions. When you plug your phone into this, it's not going to actually use the 140 watts that it actually has. Your phone tells this thing that it doesn't need that much, and then this will lower the wattage on its own. It has a little mode on here when you press it that tells you how much each individual port is porting out. This thing tells you how long you've been charging your stuff as well. It tells you the maximum output, how much each port is using, along with the total at the bottom. Alright, so I have 3 different devices that I'm going to be charging using the 3 USB-C ports. I have an Apple Watch right here, goes on these using USB-C and then like the wireless charging. My phone, USB-C to USB-C, plug that in. And then Mac, USB-C to USB-C, and this is the cord that it comes with. It's the highest wattage, and it's also in the highest wattage USB-C plug, which is C1, the top one. And all 3 devices are charging. Right in that top corner, you can see it's charging. This, I haven't set it up yet, but it is charging. It says as a little green thing in the top corner. And then we got my phone, also charging right there. Because 2 of the devices are charged fully right now, it is only using 13 of the 165 watts. This is fully charged. This is fully charged already. My phone takes forever to charge because it's terrible. But yeah, get one in the link in the description below. Peace out.